Hi, everyone. Welcome to part one of our sourcing verification series. Today, we'll talk about how to double-check product certificates when sourcing from China. We'll start with CNAS, or the China National Accreditation Service, which helps confirm if a testing company is properly authorized. Okay, to double-check certificates, usually go into CNAS, or China National Accreditation Service. In this website, you'll go in, find an accredited body, and choose Testing and Calibration Laboratories. Then you'll go into the certification that the supplier provided. The easiest way is to use the registration number. I'll use the epilator as the example here. The supplier was able to provide the CNAS laboratory accreditation L19669. What I usually do is ask for the CNAS certificate in addition to the product certificate because it's easier to find the company that did the testing. When you click on that, it'll ask for a code each time, and then you can verify whether it matches the testing company. This is one of the certificates the supplier provided. You'll see Zhejiang Huaq Testing Technology Company. That's why in the back and forth with the supplier, I told him I couldn't find the first batch of certificates he sent, but the second batch matched. If we cannot get this number, but they did provide the testing document or certificate, we can usually find them in CNAS using the name. However, when searching by organization name, it has to be exactly the same. Not a portion, but the full name, including commas and periods. If even one punctuation mark or word is missing, it won't generate results. That's why using the registration number of CNAS is the easiest way to verify. You can also ask the supplier, do you have the registration number or the CNAS Laboratory Accreditation Certificate? And that's it for part one of verifying product certifications from China. Next Sunday, we'll go even deeper in part two, where we'll cover how to verify the authenticity of digital signatures and testing lab documents. This is SourcingXpro, helping you source smarter and safer from China. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for part two next Sunday.